In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add label in Measure tool Adobe Acrobat. We'll walk through how to open your PDF, use the measuring tool, and add a clear custom label to a measurement so your markups are easy for anyone to understand. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Head to the menu in the upper left corner and choose Open. Pick the PDF you want to work with, ideally a drawing or document where you need precise dimensions, and click Open. A quick tip before you start. If this is an important file, consider working on a copy so your original stays untouched. On the left side of Acrobat, look for the Tools panel. Scroll until you find the option for measuring, often labeled Measure or Measure Objects. Click it to activate the measuring tool. You'll notice your cursor changes and a small measuring toolbar appears. This toolbar helps keep measurements accurate and tidy. For a clean example, enable Snap to Paths. With snapping on, your cursor will automatically lock to the edges and lines in the drawing, which makes it much easier to click exactly where you intend. Now take a measurement by clicking your starting point, moving to the end point, and clicking again. Acrobat will place a measurement line on the page and display the dimension. If your document has crisp vector lines, snapping will make your measurement follow the line work nicely. If you're working on a scanned image, zoom in for precision. Once the measurement is on the page, right-click directly on that measurement. From the context menu, choose Add Label. This adds a customizable text label attached to your measurement so viewers immediately understand what they're looking at. In the label field, type the details you want to show, maybe a description, the purpose of the dimension, or any note that clarifies context. Keep labels short but specific so they're helpful without cluttering the page. When you're happy with the text, click OK. Your label appears alongside the measurement. You can drag it slightly if you need to avoid overlapping other content. If you want to change it later, right-click the measurement again to edit or remove the label. As you continue measuring, remember to keep Snap to Paths enabled for consistent accuracy and zoom as needed to select precise points. Save your document regularly so your annotations and labels are preserved. That's all there is to it. Open your file, activate the measuring tool, take a measurement with snapping for accuracy, right-click to add a label, type your details, and confirm. With this approach, your PDFs will be clearer, more professional, and much easier for teammates and clients to review.